Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive deep into Snagajob app review to help you decide if this app actually worth it to use in. So to get started with a quick overview, Snagajob is a job search platform focused on hourly shift-based employment, connecting job seekers with opportunities in industries like retail, hospitality, food service, and warehouse. The app offers features such as one-click application, personality assessment for job matching, and a real-time application status update. It's free to use and it's particularly popular among students, part-time workers, and those seeking flexible schedule. The strength of Snagajob includes its user-friendly interface and the convenience of applying to job and just a few clicks. Users appreciate the ability to filter job searches by location, industries, and job type, making it easier to find suitable positions. The app also provides daily job matches and allow users to set up alarms for new opportunities. Employers benefit from a streamlined hiring process with tools to track applicants and manage job posting effectively. However, there are notable weaknesses. Some users have reported encountering duplicated or irrelevant job listing, which can make a job search process less effective. Additionally, the availability of the shift features, which allows users to pick up short-term gigs, is limited to select cities. There have been concern about potential scam on the platform, emphasizing the need for users to verify the legitimacy of job posting.